So as I already explained, if there are 3 read log files like this, so one switch will happen, second switch will happen, but during the third switch the first log is already having some data. In that case, it need to overwrite this first log file. So for that reason, the checkpoint, for every checkpoint DBWR need to write the data, but DBWR is not, since DBWR should save all the data in a parallel manner, so it will not write in a single process. It will be having multiple parallel threads which will write all the data to the disk. So since multiple parallel process needs to coordinate, so it will take some time to write all the dirty buffers. Why? Because buffer cache contains some huge amount of data sometimes.